In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an IRS IP PIN in TurboTax. If you received an identity protection PIN from the IRS, it's important to enter it correctly when filing your tax return. This PIN helps verify your identity and can prevent delays or rejection when you submit your return. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the right section in TurboTax and how to save your PIN properly. To begin, go to your TurboTax return and look across the main navigation area for other tax situations. Hover over that section to open it up. This area includes several additional tax-related settings and details that may not be part of your main income or deduction screens, so it's a common place to miss if you're not specifically looking for it. Once that menu appears, click on Other Tax Situations. Summary. This takes you into a broader summary page where TurboTax groups together several return details that don't always fit into the standard filing flow. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second and make sure you're fully on the summary screen before moving on. From there, click on Other Return Info. This section contains extra filing information tied to your return, including identity-related details. You'll want to be in the correct area before entering anything, especially for something as important as an IRS-issued PIN. Next, find the Identity Protection PIN section and click Start. If you haven't entered this information before, the Start button will usually appear here. This opens the part of TurboTax specifically designed for adding your IRS IP PIN. On the next screen, click Add. This lets TurboTax know that you're ready to enter a new identity protection PIN for the return. Be careful to use the IRS IP PIN exactly as it was issued. This is not the same as a regular account PIN or any self-selected security code. Now, enter your identity protection PIN in the field provided. Take your time here and type it carefully, making sure every digit matches what the IRS gave you. Even a small typo can cause problems later in the filing process, so it's worth double-checking before continuing. Once the PIN is entered, click Save. This stores the information in your return, so TurboTax can include it as part of your filing details. After saving, it's a good idea to briefly confirm that the PIN entry appears correctly in the section before moving on to the next part of your return. And that's it. You've successfully entered your IRS IP PIN in TurboTax.